Oh man, so Bitcoin is literally, at the time of recording this video, crossing 48,000 and Phantom is sitting at about $1.48. And what a difference 36 hours can make in the crypto market. Bitcoin breaking out from this really important pattern which we've been monitoring for a while here, and now is heading towards our price target of 52,700. Now, as I've mentioned in my videos earlier today, it's perfectly fine if we come down and get a retest of the 45,000 mark. Do not panic. Right now, we're getting a whole flux of people coming into crypto, just like I said, guys, just as you predicted. If you guys are watching my videos throughout this period, you would have remembered I said, once we get the FOMC meeting, we're going to get some direction on the market. And now we're starting to get that direction in the market, and you're seeing the funds FOMO in as we speak. But I'm going to share with you the key levels in the Phantom chart, which we need to watch out for. I'm going to show you where I think this bounce could get us to here on Phantom. We've come off $1.03. We're now sitting at $1.48. That's a big move. If you manage to buy the dip at around $1 on Phantom, when I was making the video saying I was taking the risky move to pick up some, then you'd already be 47%, sorry, up on that move. That's pretty phenomenal, pretty crazy. And this is why it's important to have high conviction and buy on these pullbacks. Right now, when the green candles are coming through, what do we say? We do not chase green candles. So let's get into it, guys. Hit up the like buttons. Make sure you subscribe. These videos are brought to you by myself. Yes, myself. We've got our very own course member live streams now, guys. So if you want to join our member live stream, which are 3 times weekly live streams with me, it's going to cost you $30 a month. But the next 4 people to sign up, click the pin comment below, head over into the Discord to sign up. But the next 4 people who sign up will get free access to my full jam-packed TA instructional course explaining everything, moving averages, the indicators I use, the patterns I use, the entries, the stop losses, the take profits. Everything is going to be there. It's going to be retailing for around $500. But if you sign up to my member live streams for $30 a month for the next 6 months, you're going to get access for free when that comes out. So for the next 4, hurry into the Discord and get yourself signed up. Now, Bitcoin looking good. Let's move over to Phantom, because Phantom is looking pretty interesting. You know, we were forming this pattern here, and I was slightly worried that this would start becoming a bear flag, okay? But the movement from Bitcoin is really important. Right now, Phantom is unable to hold its own. This is completely dependent on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin retraces down now, this is very important. If Bitcoin comes to cool off back to 45, we could fall out from this pattern here, okay? We could. So we need to be cognizant of that. We can't get too excited and literally chase these green candles. We need to be patient. But the good news, just like I said in my videos yesterday, is Bitcoin could prevent us from falling to the downside. You saw we broke down in this daily candle intraday, but Bitcoin, with its pump straight through 45, 46, 47, and now almost 48 in such quick succession, has helped Phantom stay in this pattern. But Phantom has a lot of work to do. Let's head over into the daily chart, and we can see we're still hanging there at the bottom of our wedge. In other words, we're still moving less than we probably want to given the market, okay? So there's still some undervaluation going on here on Phantom, and still opportunities to be had. So we still want to see ourselves work towards the 147 mark. You can see we're kind of getting rejected there, just here on the hourly candles. We had a small rejection there from the 147 mark. Can we break through, push on, and head to 165? Now, why is the 165 level important? Well, let's head over to the daily, and you will see here on the daily, whoops, let's not move that around. Let's hit undo on that line. You will see here on the daily, if we bring out our EMA ribbon, if we can get to 165, we would flip our EMA ribbon bullish. Right now, you can see we're starting to penetrate our EMA ribbon. This is good. We're making good progress. We've gone halfway through. But remember, just look, you can get rejected from your EMA ribbon, right? 1, rejected. 2, rejected. So we don't want this bull flag to pay out. The bull flag, the bearish situation is, the bear flag, sorry, is for you to go up here, get rejected by your EMA and continue to the downside, okay? We don't want this to happen. That's what I want to be prepared for. But hopefully if Bitcoin continues to the upside, we can see more of maybe this and then there. Okay, that's what we want to see here on Phantom, and it will depend on Bitcoin maintaining its strength. The key level, 165 for Phantom. If we can break above 165 here, that will then give us our close above our EMA ribbon, and then we can flip bullish and start working our way to the upside, okay? Once we get through that, we've got 194, very important level, and then we get back to our safe house, which is the 208 level. We need to break the high from here, which is at 208, okay? So that's the plan of action here on Phantom. But one more interesting point to note is if we come back to this daily chart, let's tidy this up a little bit. Let's remove that EMA ribbon. And if we bring out our Fibonacci, I did this just a little bit earlier. Now I've gone from swing high to swing low. You will see that our golden pocket here let me just circle this for you. If we're just looking here, our golden pocket is for this retracement to take us up to 186 to 193. So I'm bullish on this continuing to move into that pocket before heading higher, okay, as long as Bitcoin can maintain its strength. If Bitcoin doesn't maintain its strength, we can get rejected by this 0.786 level here and start heading to the downside, along with our EMA ribbon acting as downward pressure, okay? So those are the key levels we're looking for. Now, let's look at the wider market. Wider market's looking really green. And I had a course member session with the team yesterday, and the message was very clear. Do not chase green candles. Hopefully, if you've been watching my videos for any length of time, we've managed to do our business, right? We've had plenty of opportunity to be buying the dip. If it's Phantom, you've had plenty of opportunity to be buying sub 120 easily, comfortably. If you had any conviction, you would have managed to buy at sub 120. Even if you're not experienced at this, you should have managed to do that. Those of you who are more experienced, you could have been nibbling at 103, 104, right? We were able to do that. Now, there is little to no need for us to chase these green candles right now. Very little. Yes, the market is clear. Yes, the runway is clear. Yes, I'm expecting a couple of weeks, if not a month or two, of green runway. But there is always room for pullbacks. Just like anything, like a sprinter going for a sprint, they need a time to call off, right? And that is what we're looking out for here on crypto. Don't chase these green candles. Let it come to you. Right now, you're getting a bunch of new, fresh retail investors coming in, right? Excited people are coming in right now. Again, we're starting to get the euphoria. We're starting to get the momentum. You want proof for that? Head over to the Fear and Greed Index. 60, just like we predicted. I said it a couple of days ago. If Bitcoin breaks that wedge, we're going to be in greed. And we've been in greed. And we've not been in greed for a very long time. If we head over to the yearly chart here, move my fat face out of the way, you will see that we've not been here for a while, okay? We've not been here since at least here on November, but that was heading to the downside as Bitcoin was falling. And on the rise, you have to go back to October 2021 before Fear and Greed was at this level. And then we run up to 69,000. So there's a lot of things going for us here on Bitcoin, but we have to be the contrarians. We have to think the opposite. If everyone's FOMOing in, stay patient. Make sure your portfolio allocation is good. If you want to do some playful trades, do some playful trades. I know a lot of you have been talking about that in the Discord. There's nothing wrong with that. But don't start creating bad habits. Even if you're playfully trading with a 0.0% of your portfolio, practice it with good habits like we discuss in our member live streams. Have your stop losses, have your take profits, plot your trend lines, make sure you have your entry and exits clear and you've gone through the right process of entering a trade. Not just going, oh, I'm just throwing someone here on Bitcoin, we've broken the wedge, everybody else is doing it, I want to do it, I'm going to put 5x leverage on it. Nah, bad habits, and you're going to get yourself in a pickle by doing that. Let's look at the wider sentiment before wrapping this up. We can see the wider sentiment in the market is pretty interesting because stocks are flat today. They're having a cooling off after 2 strong weeks of gains, and we can see the sentiment continues to weigh on the Russia-Ukraine issue, right? We're still seeing some issues in there, and there's no sign of things getting better just yet. So we're seeing that the markets are taking a little bit of a call off, but crypto is looking pretty good. And we can see things are really starting to get moving, even massive moves on altcoins. And you know what the litmus test is, guys? This. Almost 20% up on Shiba Inu. You can't tell me that retail is not coming back. So there you have it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this blend between technicals and fundamentals on Phantom here today. If you appreciate this content, hit up the like button and subscribe. If you appreciate my perspective and you want more of this type of analysis, consider joining the course member lives. Link in the description will take you to links in the pinned comment actually will take you to our free Discord server. But in there you'll find out how to get yourself signed up. Remember, the next 4 people who sign up there will get free access to the full-on TA course worth $500 if you sign up for at least 6 months to our member live streams. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.